Hi, Dietitian Mel here from Active Health Clinic. So I am standing behind a collection of electrolyte mocktails that I have made using pure electrolytes, and I've made them to keep in mind people who either choose not to drink alcohol for personal reasons or can't drink alcohol or can't drink much alcohol due to living with conditions such as orthostatic intolerance or POTS, as it exacerbates their symptoms. So I also thought I'd film a video explaining some tips for Christmas, just to help you better pace and manage Christmas. So it is a busier period coming up in people's lives at the moment. There are lots of social events and things going on. So tip number one can be to plan out your social or obligations calendar. So know what you have coming up, plan out what's going on, and make sure that you don't double book or overbook yourself. Strategy number two is to know and set your boundaries within your capacity. So this may differ for everyone, but we know at this time of the year we see people that we haven't seen in a long time and we want to see everyone and catch up with everyone. We may also want to set financial boundaries around buying presents and those types of things, but it's really important to sit down, have a bit of a think about what's your capacity and what boundaries do you need to help meet and accommodate for that. Tip number three is understanding that during this time of the year, there can be a change in your routine around things such as eating, sleeping, movement, and hydration. So it might be useful to think about where can you fit in some gentle, enjoyable movement within the next few months, and it doesn't have to be every day. When can you make sure that you are eating at regular times, or can you bring snacks with you if you've got a lot of things that you're going in between? And also, are you getting enough sleep, and can you make sure that you get enough sleep in between activities or in between things, or enough rest? And the last tip is hydration. So making sure that you stay hydrated. This time of the year, there might be a bit more alcohol than usual. There might be none, but there might be family members drinking alcohol. So it could be important to make sure you stay extra hydrated. It is also hot in Australia, very hot. Yes, it might be raining at the moment, but very hot. So we want to make sure that we are replenishing any fluids or salts and electrolytes that we're losing through sweat using electrolytes, and a really fun way of doing that is turning them into mocktails or cocktails, but I prefer the mocktail option. So anyway, that is my 4 tips for helping pace Christmas. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that was helpful.